How your binder cover looks can be an important part of having a 6-string binder. It's the first thing you see when you use it, and you want it to make you feel happy and inspired. So in this video, I share how to decorate your 6-string binder cover for beginners, so I hope you guys enjoy, and let's get started. So the first step is to decide which part to deco. So this depends on the features of your 6-string binder, and this A7 binder is the first of 3 binders for this example. So this one has a front pocket which allows you to add an insert for the cover page. Another cover idea is to deco the PVC cover that you have on top of your 6-string binder. So for this one, I chose to deco the glitter cover instead of putting stickers directly on my archive binder. And here's the third example where I DIY'd the top binder refill as my cover page, which I'll show you guys how I did that later in this video. And this also leads into the next step, and that is to pick a theme. So for this A7 wide binder, I decided to do a rainbow theme, which if you know, you know, and I love it so much, and I think it goes so well with this rainbow zipper glitter cover. So this is a pink and red cherry cover insert I purchased from Mochi Things, and I think this is a great option if you don't want to deco your binder cover yourself and you just want to add a key ring or maybe even a ribbon to accessorize it. And here are a few more options that they have for the A5 binders as well as for the A6 binders. So as y'all can see, they have a lot of different styles to choose from. So next is this pink yet colorful A6 wide cover page. So I used one of my binder refills, added a colorful graphic, and then used rainbow themed washi tape and stickers with it. And for my A6 binder, I decided to do a purple galaxy theme, and this is actually an art print I taped to the binder refill. So here I just added different stickers that I thought would fit well with this theme. And here's a peek at my mini 3-ring binder that I chose to do a cow print composition theme. And for this A7 binder, I did a simple yet colorful theme. Next, you want to gather all the stationery items you'll need to create your 6-string binder cover. So any stickers or any washi tape that you want to use, different art prints that you have or maybe that you've printed out yourself or received as a freebie, or even pre-made cover refill pages or binder refills that you want to use. Next, you want to start sketching your layout, so you can do this in many ways. Here I'm showing a way you can do it using Procreate, and this is a great way to see if you want to use certain shapes or even have the title a certain way before actually using your stationery to make it. So here's how the expectation versus reality ended up looking for my A7 wide binder. You can also use pen and paper to sketch out your binder cover layout. Whether you have a binder refill as a guide or not, this can still be helpful to determine how you want your 6-string binder cover to look. And feel free to play around with the layout, change things as needed, add in an art print, see where you probably want it to be, see if you want to add washi tape. So once you get it to your liking, you can start to deco your binder cover. So here's a clip of when I completed my 6-string binder setup for my A7 wide binder. So you can use this as a guide, whether you're starting a 6-string binder or wanting to decorate your 6-string binder differently. So here's another look at some binder cover ideas that I hope inspires you guys and helps you to decide how you may want your binder cover to look. So remember, there's no right or wrong way to do them, and to please have fun. It's okay if it doesn't turn out to your liking. You can always redo it or add to it. So whether you want to DIY your binder cover yourself, like I've done for some of my binders, or you want to purchase some pre-made cover refills, it really just depends on your preference. So let me know in the comments below your favorite theme for your 6-string binder covers, and I'll see you guys in the next video, kittens. Adios!